Jake Ludington here at HPE Discover in London, and I'm here with Robbie Wigger. And you've spent the last several days talking to service providers, and what kinds of things are important to them that you're hearing here at the show?
Yeah, in fact, I've been talking to a lot of service providers as well as customers during Discover here over the last couple of days. And what we see, what is really happening is the transformation to hybrid IT. Hybrid IT is really the way how we can accelerate the digital transformation. Right? Looking to the customer side, I mean, what they would like to achieve is to increase speed, with time to market, or increase agility, or work on the cost effectiveness. And hybrid IT is really able to deliver that because you have different pools where you can basically deploy your workloads, whether it's on-prem or it's private cloud, you can go to public cloud or managed cloud. And that is what the end customers are really looking for, and that is what the service providers are able to deliver through hybrid IT, really based on the needs of the applications. So it depends on the characteristics of these applications. You can choose the right pool, whether it's the best performance, highest availability, whether it's security requirements, or whether you have compliance requirements. So you choose the best place for your workload. That is what hybrid IT is all about.
And so for HPE, how do you guys focus, or where do you focus to kind of help the customer achieve that?
Yeah, so we're partnering with service providers. So service providers are really in the core of our hybrid IT strategy. So service providers are delivering the off-premise services of the hybrid IT. And that can be a managed service, it can be a cloud service, and it's fundamentally based on our infrastructure and our solutions. And with that, we are able to deliver all the various horizontal and vertical applications, whether it's an infrastructure management service, which is required from off-prem, or whether it's more vertical, let's say in a healthcare segment. And by combining our capabilities from on-prem to off-prem together with our service provider partners, we are able to deliver a real hybrid IT experience for our joint customers.
Would you guys have like some kind of areas of focus where you deliver value? I mean, like things like, I know that there's like a financial services piece. Can you go into
absolutely, yeah, spot on, Jack. So yes, I mean, we fundamentally have three pillars. Pillar number one is that we are designing what we call service provider ready solutions. And the service provider ready solutions are really helping our service provider partners to offering differentiating services. By innovating and differentiating is the way how service providers can differentiate themselves in the market. And we have the solutions, whether they are our infrastructure solutions from server, storage to network, all the way to the software capabilities to build the right services for their particular markets. Right? Pillar number two is for sure that we offer flexible business solutions, which means that many of our service provider partners, they want to move from a CapEx model to an OpEx model, which is more an on-demand concept. We call it flexible capacity, which means that service providers can purchase infrastructure from HPE as a service, and we charge them in the moment they sell their services to their end customer. And number three, I believe, is a very important one, is the Service Provider Partner Program, which we are running now since almost 5 years. And with the Service Provider Partner Program, we are able to, our service provider partners, really with a joint go-to-market approach, which means that we are investing together in marketing activities we are doing in the market, or we do co-selling activities, which means that we are extending the sales reach of our the service provider partners by supporting them with our sales force to sell their services in a hybrid IT way to the end customers, again to deliver the hybrid IT approach.
Very interesting. Thanks, Robbie.
Thank you.